Hello everyone! Starting out with a reverse makeover. There's me with no makeup on. So I'm taking the new Anastasia Dip Brow and just going to pop that all over my eyebrow just to tame everything, and then I'll use a brow wiz underneath to get the correct shape and carve it out with some concealer. Now I've taken, for some reason, a really pale foundation, but it obviously wasn't that pale because the concealer, you can see here, is even paler. So just popping on some contour and highlight and starting to blend that through with a beauty blender. So I have edited this and gone quicker, and I did go through a really orange stage. It took some blending to get that brown colour done, but it did come out right in the end. So next I'm just taking some powder and popping that exactly the same places where I put my highlighter. I've left that to sit for a while and I'm just taking it all off, just with a flat brush. So just popping on some sellotape, and I'm using two Anastasia palettes. First colour is from the Riviera palette and it's called Estate, and I'm just taking that one all over before using Mulberry from the Soft Glam palette. It's my favourite colour ever. So just blending that in the socket line, and then I'm going to blend that through with a little bit of Coastline from the Riviera palette. So next I'm taking my Anastasia eyeliner, so it's just a pencil eyeliner, and I'm just going to do an eyeliner just really roughly, and then I'm taking a brush and blending that one through, making it look a little bit scruffy around the edges. And then what I'm going to do is take some noir eyeliner and I'm going to go over the top and start really smudging that with a pencil brush. So these are the new Anastasia highlighters, the loose powder highlighters, and I am going to take So Hollywood and I'm going to use that one to cut my crease. So it's not quite as harsh a line as when you use a concealer, because I've not put the concealer on first, I've just gone straight in with the So Hollywood. So you want to take the same colours underneath and just do your blend underneath. So I'm starting out with a darker noir colour, and then I'm just going to blend that through. And then I'm going to add some highlighter to the inner corners. Taking my Beach Balm blusher from The Balm and just doing the apples of my cheeks over the top of the contour, and highlighting using that So Hollywood highlighter again. So the lipsticks I'm going to use are the Huda Beauty Matte Power Bullets. This one is called Pool Party. I absolutely love these lipsticks. They smell so nice and they last brilliantly, and they're not drying at all. And at the end of the video I'll show you all of the different colours. So these are the Huda Beauty Jacqueline lashes that I'm putting on, singing away while I'm doing the lash dance, waiting for the glue to dry. And if that wasn't all enough, I'm finishing off, put my teeth back in, with the Anastasia Dewy Finish, just to give it a nice glow. Get ready to see the Huda Beauty lipsticks. Comment below which is your favourite. Thank you so much for watching.